see how long it will take. So to charge up to, again you stopped. So to charge up to 90%, it is saying from 19% it will take me 40 minutes. Last time it said 50 minutes or 55 minutes. So maybe the temperature does make a difference. So we shall see. And this is good supercharging practice by this guy who's just come in. He's not sharing any stalls. Oh, sorry, so this is another reason why we've got 40 minutes, because we're not sharing any stalls as well. So we're at 110 kilowatts as opposed to say 50 or 56 from last time. So that's another reason why the supercharging will be quicker today, hopefully. So we'll see.